Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima, you're trying to find the fuse for the lane assist or for the blind spot detection, guys. There is one fuse controlling these two things and we'll explain where it's located. Make sure to stand till the end. You need to do one thing before removing that fuse, otherwise you can damage your electrical system, modules, computer, so we're going to cover that today. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So we showed you where that interior fuse box is located in case guys, okay, you don't know. Now what we did, we actually took a picture of it so we can zoom in on the phone a little bit and show you. Otherwise it's impossible for me to stick my that camera, guys, and light and my hand at the same time and show you where each fuse is located. But on the back side of the lid, fuse lid, you have the fuses printed. They'll look like that. We printed it, tried to zoom it a little bit, but it didn't work so good to show you where they're located. But the fuse that controls the lane assist and the blind spot detection, it's actually a fuse that's not called lane assist or blind spot detection. But before you remove it, always, guys, disconnect your car battery. On these modern vehicles, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. We have a special video that explains that. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system. Okay, modules, computers, that could be expensive. So if you want to see the video, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. The fuse that we need to check is known, guys, okay, as module number 1 right here. So if you come to the fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you come down fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, that 7.5 amp fuse. That fuse is the one, guys, for the blind spot detection and the lane assist as well on Kia Optima. If you need to see how to test the fuse, guys, we have a special video. We'll put the link as well. Check it out. And if you need to buy replacement fuses for a great price, we'll share that as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.